and welcome to our Crochet Designs. My name is Mary, and in today's video, you can hear the excitement in my voice. In today's video, we're doing two things. One, we are doing first Thursday of the month, and two, we are doing our 15,000 subscriber giveaway. Did I sound dramatic? 1,000 subscriber giveaway, guys. Now, our regulars would know all about that, but if you are joining us new today, don't forget to subscribe. Shh. If you are joining us new today, it's a given that you're a subscriber before you can enter our giveaway. But everything else, it's easy question, easy, and everyone will have a different answer. What? You'll have your own personal answer, and you will know that answer the second I say it, or the second I ask the question. But before the question, we're going to do a quick update on the first Thursday of the month. Now, again, if you're joining us new, every month we do first Thursday. And what we do is we talk about what has happened usually in January and what's going to happen in February. I'm going to skip January completely because really they were all projects that we were trying to catch up on, and I don't want to waste your time because all you want to hear about is the giveaway. I know that's all you want to hear about, but I just want to let you know what's happening just quickly in the month of February, because it's going to be an exciting month, guys. There's some things happening that you didn't know would ever happen on our channel. Always crochet related, always. But they're all new things and it's very exciting, except for one, which we've done one before, but we're going to do another one. But everything else is really new. Starting from, well, no, the one we're going to finish tomorrow is our mystery poncho. And there it is, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Well, I can't show you the whole thing. That's only what it looks like on top. On the top, on the side. Let's not worry about that. Worry about it tomorrow when it gets uploaded. It'll be uploaded this time tomorrow night, or maybe a little bit later, depending on how quickly I can edit it, right? But it's actually complete and roaring and ready to go, so get excited about that. Week 2, I'm going to rush through all this, guys, because I know you're just waiting for the giveaway. Week 2, we have the Valentine's Day project, which is going to be a pin cushion. Get excited about that one. Week 2, we also have a table runner, which is coming up. It's a mile of the minute table runner. So we're using the mile of minute pattern. No editing, guys. The mile a minute pattern. I'm not editing this. I tell you, I'm not editing this. I probably will edit some. The mile a minute pattern. I will also let you know if you wanted to make a blanket, I'll tell you, make a few more sets of these, whatever it is we're using for the mile a minute. And Friday week, not this Friday, tomorrow, but next Friday will be the winner of this video. Yeah, will be the announcement. It'll be there. We'll talk about that in a few minutes time. We'll just come back to that. Week 3 will be St. Patrick's Day project. I haven't decided whether we're going to make something small, something medium size, or maybe something big, but we'll talk about that pretty much on one of our lives. Now, if you haven't joined our lives, we have lives at 4 p.m. Wednesday afternoons and 10 a.m. Saturday morning, Melbourne, Australia time, that is. And we have them every week. So join our lives. You get a chance to talk about projects. You get a chance to choose color combinations on certain projects. You get a chance to do things that we don't ordinarily do on a video like this. Okay, so get excited for the lives. So that's happening, the St. Patrick's Day project, and on the Thursday of that week, of the third week, you're getting the Pretty as a Peacock blanket that we've all been waiting for. I've booked it in for that Thursday. Notice how I say booked it in. No, my luck, we'll run out of time or something will happen. But I've definitely booked it in for the third Thursday of this month. So get excited for that. On the Friday, third Friday, we're doing a beanie for our man. So if it's Father's Day in your country coming up very soon, you're getting this beanie, so you'll have something to give Dad or the man in your life, okay? 4th week, I'm so puffed out already. The 4th week, we are doing our Granny Square Shrug, and if you have not done part 1 of that, there's a picture right there. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. It's divine, and that is actually the completed version, but we have only done part 1. If you've not done part 1, I'll leave a link to the poncho, part 1 of the poncho, part 1 of the shrug, and those 2 links will be the 2nd and 3rd link you see in the description box down below. So if you wanted to make any of those projects, just click on one of those links down below and you'll find them there. On the 4th Thursday of the month, we are doing our first small stash busting project, which was supposed to be done this week, but don't even worry about that. We'll do it, okay? And on that Friday, the last Friday of the month, before the 28th of Feb, which is a Monday, the last Friday, get excited guys, we are doing our very first large stash busting project. What's it going to be? I'm going to have to wait till that day then. It's a secret. You'll find out closer to the day. But it is a big project, so you're going to need lots of little bits of yarn. Lots of little bits? Does that make any sense? Bits of lots of bits. Well, you know what I mean. You need a lot of little bits. I'll talk to you about that again closer to the date on one of our lives. So there you go. And that's February, guys. I don't want to get into any more of February. What I want to get into, and nothing else except for the giveaway. Yay! Now, what's happening with the giveaway? Look, I'm so on edge. I'm just so on edge. What's happening with the giveaway? All right. So what you need to do is you need to follow some instructions, right? Basic instructions, real easy. Basic, right? The only thing I wanted to do first before I do any of that is show you the prizes, and here they are. Ta-da! I'm sorry guys, really hard to fit everything in. So let's just start from here. This is one of our magazines. Well, actually it's one of the magazines that you probably have everywhere, but this is the one that I have. And I really like this one because it has this particular top right here. It is a cable top. Can I get close enough to it? It's hard to tell, but it's a cable top, and they actually have other patterns in here as well. I mean, look at that poncho. What? So they have a lot of gorgeous patterns in here that I'm sure you're going to love. Now, Indie Road magazine, one of our magazines that used to be here in Australia. We've got quite a few Australian crafters in there, or designers if you will. They actually have a new magazine out. I can't for the life of me remember the name right now, but when I do I'll let you know. Here we have, let's start with the yarn up the top. Why? Because it's my favorite. It's watermelon cotton, 8-ply from Bendigo Woolen Mills. Now that is an 8-ply cotton, meaning a DK weight or a number 3 overseas. So there you go. And the one right next to it, oh, hang on, down here, you can't see it because, oh, there you go, try that. 4-ply cotton parchment. This is like a cream, and 4-ply is a number 2 or a lightweight cotton. Right over here is the famous yarn that I use online often. It's called Bendigo Luxury. This is actually the frost colour, but you'll see me using other colours from the luxury range. So there you go. How gorgeous is this yarn? Now this is to die for. That's 100% wool. These are cotton, and this is the Abbey Road. Now Abbey Road is 52% merino and 48% acrylic. So that wool is a 12-ply or a chunky, maybe a chunky yarn, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and down here we have some crafting eyes. Someone's upside down. And over here we have some creepy crafties gear. For Halloween. I'm sad I'm giving away these buttons, by the way, because I actually like them a lot. But anyway, they're going. And right up the top, we have one of our packs. Now, this pack is a wraparound scarf, and in there you have the pattern, you have the yarn, you have the hook, you have the scissors, and you have the darning needle, and of course our card. All right, so that's one of our packs that we're giving away inside the giveaway. So there you go. And guess what? We have another one of our packs right here. And this one is that beanie right there. All right. In there you've got the yarn, the hook, the scissors, the sewing needle, and right behind it, I'm just using it to hold everything up here, guys, is another yarn from the same company. They're both Lion brand. Yes. Now, this cotton right here and this one right here, they're actually thread. All right, now this one here, I used to create a doily for the channel here on Wild Crochet Designs. So there it is, right there. There's our gorgeous doily. Now, if you wanted to create the doily, you could, and I will leave a link to that doily in the description box down below. Otherwise, this is the cotton that we used, and you can actually create your own if you win today. It is a 2-ply or a lightweight thread, and it's simply divine. And that right next to it is a 4-ply. You can also make the doily using the 4-ply thread as well. So there you go. And over here you have your little fabric comb, and that's, you know, what you can use that for. You pop that in your bag, and it stays in your bag when you go, when you're on the go. So there you go. Now here we have one of our utilities pack that's got a bamboo hook in there, scissors, and right in the middle there somewhere is a sewing needle. Now we have some Knit Pro hooks. Now these ones here are 4.5 and 5. These are the usual numbers, or the usual hooks, that usual size hooks that I use on the channel. It's not the same brand that I use on a channel, but it's the same size hook that I use on the channel mostly. You know, sometimes you'll see a different size, like your 9s and your 8s and your 7s and your 6s and so on. Maybe even 3s when I'm doing doilies and things, yeah? But usually I use these sizes right here. This is the main pair of scissors. These are the ones I like to use often on the channel. Currently using another pair given to me by Karen Beaton, one of our subscribers, who was actually Subscriber of the Year 2021. Now, if you win Subscriber of the Year at the end of the year, usually announced on the 31st of December every year, you can win all these items, plus you get free patterns all year round, free paid patterns. So she's done well. But she did give me a pair of scissors that I've been using, so I haven't been using my regular ones. These are the regular ones I use. I don't know why I got into that conversation, but there you go. And also our lovely Jody Mann has given me a pack of these, and there's quite a few of them in the pack, so I've decided to pop one in our giveaway today. Compliments from our lovely Jody. All right, and the lovely, oh my gosh, there's quite a few people who've gifted me items. Now this particular straw, it's a it's like a straw on the go, if you will. That's what it says right there, and you can kind of hook it to your buckles or your belts. And it was gifted to me by the lovely Raylene. She's one of our subscribers as well, who tends to spend quite a bit of time on our channel and does help us out at the channel a lot, and I do thank her very much for that. Okay, have we nearly done? Oh, we've done. That's it. No, I tell a lie. Why do I tell a lie? Because ta-da! Tim Tams! Australia's famous Tim Tam. So anyway, guys, that's it. Check it out. Oh, I love my Tim Tams. Yay! Good luck, all. Hi. What about those prizes, guys? Wasn't that fantastic? I'm sad that I'm giving away some of my Bendigo. I love my Bendigo yarn. But there you go. It's all good, and it's all going to go to a great home, I'm sure. All you're waiting for now is 2 more things, and one is the question to the giveaway, and the other is the time that you need to have that all in by, the time of day. All right, so the time and day is 12 p.m. on the 11th of February, Melbourne, Australia time, 12 p.m, yeah? Make sure it's in by the Melbourne, Australia time. Check the time in your country, the time zone for Melbourne. But it's 12 p.m, the 11th of February, which is not this Friday. Next Friday, you have 8 days, 7 sleeps maybe, or the other way around. I can't remember. 8 sleeps, 7 days. No, well, you know what I mean. I'm not editing this. You have 8 days to answer that question, and the question is so simple. What is it I hear you ask? It's just this. Yours truly is from Melbourne, Australia. Simple, simple, simple. Where are you from? Easy. That's all you have to say. I'm from Sydney, Australia. I'm from Paris, France. Oh, I wish I was. I'm from Naples, Italy. I'm trying to think now, New York, America. I'm from Sussex, England. I'm from, I'm lost. That's all you need to do. You need to say exactly where you're from, the city, the state, whatever it is, and the country, whatever it is. Don't say, you know, the rock near the building that has the tree that hangs over. Don't give me that. I don't want to hear that. Imagine that. Just walk past that building and over the lake, and don't give me all that. Just tell me the city and the country that you're from. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. Where are you from? You need to have that answer in by the 11th of February, midday. Oh gosh, I can't believe I've finally said it. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Get excited, guys, and good luck, everyone. I do want to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. And don't forget, if you are joining us new, subscribe before you enter the giveaway. That's it. Simple as that. Where do you come from? What your city and your country is. As simple as that. Melbourne, Australia. Where are you from? Answer by this time, and I will see you soon. Good luck, guys, and ciao for now.